Yan ang ilog nito guys. Yan. Yan. Yan yung ilog ng Japan guys. Malinis masyado. Parang ilog. Yan yung bundok. Yung makikita doon sa dulo. Wala nang daanan. Hanggang dito lang yung dinadaanan. Okay guys, let's go. May rope pa sila Okay, tapos na yung adventure of the day guys. Yan yung kumpanya namin nasa dulo yung sakayan sukal din. Okay guys, thank you for watching again and God bless everyone.